If your home's gutters have seen better days, it may be time for gutter repairs in Hinsdale, Illinois. Gutter repairs can be a smart idea for many homes. If they aren't holding up too well, it may be time for a professional to inspect them. Gutters serve an important role in rerouting water away from your home's foundation, particularly during heavy rainstorms. They prevent water damage, mold and mildew growth, rotting siding, and much more. But all of these can be easily avoided with timely gutter repairs. So how can you tell when you need to repair your gutters? There are a few different signs to look out for. Some signs are more obvious than others, like fallen or detached gutters. Others require a much more careful eye. For example, if your gutters overflow during heavy rainstorms, it may be time for you to have a professional take a look at them. Mold or rust growth on your gutters, siding rot, and foundation damage are all other concerns. But say you've already repaired your gutters recently or plan to do so soon. How do you help them do their job more effectively? Assuming you've had high-quality gutters installed by a reputable company, cleaning them monthly and scheduling annual inspections is a great start. If you've been looking for a company for gutter repairs in Hinsdale, Illinois, please contact Apex Exteriors today.